guys will see what's going on in my room, you would know that this person is depressed. It's actually nice. There's some people that wear that on and to fit them.
Like it. If I like it, but like it is more.
I prefer this one for a change, but me I actually now like this one, so I'm considering.
Okay for you.
Yeah, okay, it's really entering my eyes.
Need more than a weekend to be here, and I'm feeling like I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up, you're my ocean view. I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up on an island for two.
It's good morning. How do I position it? Okay, this is perfect. Good morning, guys. So it's been a minute. I haven't really spoken to you guys in a while. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. I think I started vlogging, but I'm not sure if I said anything in those clips that I made. Anyways, I know I look a hot mess, guys. Even my nails. Today I've got a lot planned. I want to clean up my room, guys. You see what's going on in my room, you would know that this person is depressed. That's not what I mean, but like I arranged my room like 3 days ago, but somehow it's messy right now, so I want to change that. And then I'll get ready. I'll quickly pop in for work. There's some documents I need to prepare. Someone's going to come pick them up on Monday, and it's not ready, so I'm going to do that for a bit. I'll take you guys along. Saturday, by the way, plan to get my nails done. I also want to get an AirPod, the one I came back with, packed up. I don't know what happened, so I'm gonna get another one. I'm also going to be washing my hair today because, guys, I'm doing laundry as well. There's just a whole lot. So let's get to work, because this talking is not going to help my ministry right now. It's alright, babes.
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel safe. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real.
Guys, so I'm actually done. I had my bath, did laundry, guys. Like 3 hours has gone from the last clip you probably saw. Anywho, I want to prep my hair, because I did like deep washing, if there's something like that.
Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescription. Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescription.
Guys, guess what? It just started raining. Anyways, I'm through. I'm ready. And turn off. I feel like this one makes a lot of noise. Anyway, that's turn it off. So I'll quickly pack my bag. I'm not going with my work bag as per usual. I've had this bag for years. Like this leather, no, they give up. It's been through a lot with me. My laptop, purse, lip gloss, chargers, adapters. Oil perfume was gifted to me by my friend. I don't know what it's called, honestly. So this is what I'm actually going to wear today, and I'm going to pair it with Goddess. Guys, I actually tried this pair recently and it bang. I'm sticking with it. I love it, so I'm going to pair the two of them today. Big Girl by Oma. Woo! Guys, I love this perfume so much. Taco weather is very bipolar. The rain has actually stopped. Anyways, the shade has to be this bad boy. See you, compliment the look. Bye guys.
So lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. When you walk in the room, it's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right.
Hi guys, so I'm back home. Honestly, today I don't even know how to explain it. Rain did not let me. The weather wasn't favorable for me to do all the things I wanted to do. So I quickly came home. I want to quickly change so I can go for my driving class. So yeah, I also picked up the Ramo AirPods finally, because my AirPods, I told you guys, it packed up. It doesn't work anymore. So I got this one, which is very much affordable compared to actual AirPods, and it works. So I want to quickly charge it and then put my shit together before my tutor arrives.
Yeah, put your drive. Put it on drive. No. So transmit as you are entering the room. Go to your side. Go to your side.
Oh, see that keke, let me start.
Yeah, go to your side.
This idiot.
Yeah, transmit. Just stay on your side because there is a car coming beside me. Slow down. Slow down. Oh yeah, go. Yeah, turn. Turn. Cool. Go. Go and turn. Passing steering with your teacher. 6 strokes.
Trauma for all the stress I've been through. I had no other option, guys. This is all I could treat myself to. Today definitely was a lot.